YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram Reels have all seen an increase in short-form content viewership recently, which means now is the perfect time to get into the game. In today's video, I will be covering the top 5 viral niches to grow your platform and unlock passive income. So, before we waste any more time, let's get right into it. But before we get started, don't forget to leave a like on this video and subscribe to That AI Guy to never miss an upload. The first niche on the list is Reddit Story Shorts. Reddit Story Shorts are an easy way to leverage AI tools and automate content. And in today's short-form market, the quantity of videos you put out there matters. I actually have a full video on my channel detailing how to create viral story shorts using AI, which I have linked in the comments section of this video. Moving on, history shorts seem to be the most popular niche to get into right now. They are the newest trend in AI automated shorts, where an AI text-to-speech voice recalls historical events over AI-generated images. Channels only a year old have been getting shorts with up to 15 million views. Let me know in the comments section if you want to see an in-depth video on how to make AI history shorts. The infamous clip short. I couldn't make a video without including this niche. This niche involves finding clips of popular streamers like Aiden Ross or Kai Cenat, podcasters like Joe Rogan and David Goggins, or YouTubers like Mr. Beast, clipping their videos and adding subtitles to them. The pros for this niche is that it is easy to do, but the cons are that it's hard to grow a page like this, and you may face issues with monetization down the road. The easiest to automate niche is Quotes Psychology Shorts. A list of quotes for these shorts can be generated via a simple prompt in ChatGPT and edited in 5 minutes. Creators other than myself have made videos on this niche and how it grew their channel by posting 10 shorts a day. For this niche, it is important to prioritize making as many quote shorts as possible, as quantity over quality has been proven to work before. Finally, gaming highlight shorts. Gaming shorts don't do well most of the time on their own. However, if you have a gaming channel and are not getting any views on your long-form videos, shorts can actually be a great way to revitalize your channel and drive viewers to your long-form content. This is because YouTube pushes out shorts to a wide audience, leading to more people being directed to your channel. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more content like this, and leave a comment on what you think I should cover next.